Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn strategy to pass NATI CCL test. The strategy is note taking. Note taking is very important in NATI CCL test. Use of notes to write important keywords, abbreviations and short forms and symbols will help you to give your response correctly and effectively. How to make notes? Write keywords. Instead of writing whole segments, using keywords as a way better to create notes and mind maps. Just listen, observe, and write down keywords. Write down keywords of nouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, facts, names, and figures in your notes. Write keywords in such a way that you can refer them while giving your response. Use abbreviations or short forms. You do not need to write down everything word to word. Using symbols and abbreviations when taking notes can allow you to take more accurate notes more quickly. Be consistent so that the same symbol or abbreviation always means the same thing. Otherwise, your notes may become ambiguous. Use symbols. Use of symbols while making notes can help you make quick and correct notes. Vertical note taking. You must make notes vertically. That means top to bottom and not left to right because we are writing keywords and short forms. So if you write in one sentence, left to right, you may end up messing up keywords. For example, the Punjabi dialogue is ਜਾਇਦਾਦ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਲ ਨਿਸ਼ਚਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ 6 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਆਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਵੀਕਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ Here you need to make notes vertically. Keywords we will write in note taking will be property value fixed for first sentence which is ਜਾਇਦਾਦ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਲ ਨਿਸ਼ਚਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ Now, next keywords will be live at least 6M. For Punjabi dialogue, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ 6 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਆਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ Here, I have used short form M for months. Next keywords will be symbol accept call me. For Punjabi sentence, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਵੀਕਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ Here, I have used rightward arrow symbol to show conditional sentence such as if, when. So when you get conditional sentence, you may use this type of symbols to make quick and correct notes. Now, using this note taking, I will give my response in English like this. Answer: the value of the property is fixed and you need to live in it for a period of at least 6 months. Call me if you accept it. Note-taking format. Draw a line in the middle of the paper and on left side write English in circle. That means English conversation, and then on right side write Punjabi in circle for Punjabi conversation. It means when you need to give your response in English, make notes under English segment, and if you need to give your response in Punjabi, write on Punjabi segment. This way, you will make notes for English conversation on left side and Punjabi conversation on right side. The benefit of doing this will help you to see your notes effectively and will not make you confuse that whether you must give a response in Punjabi or English. When we are writing our notes, we are using English language, not Punjabi language. Why? Because making notes in English is easier than Punjabi and we are used to it. Now, let's practice one dialogue and we will learn how to make notes to give accurate response. When dialogue begins, you will first listen the scenario, or you can say briefing, that will provide introductory information about the dialogue. Now, suppose the scenario is related to investment, so the briefing will be:
This dialogue is between Mr. Johnson, a branch manager of a bank, and a Punjabi-speaking woman, Mrs. Seema, who wants to find a good investment option.
we will make notes of briefing like this. Mr. Johnson, branch manager, Mrs. Seema, good investment option. While listening to the scenario, write down some information the way I have written here on top left side on the paper. Why? Because you may use this information later when you will give your response. Now let's play first dialogue.
Good morning, Mrs. Seema. It's my pleasure to meet you here today. Do you want anything to drink?
During the dialogue, we will make a note like this: GM abbreviation of good morning. Next, we will use this happy symbol followed by keywords meet here today. Then question mark symbol before drink word, because the segment says anything to drink. So for anything, use this question symbol. Question symbol after drink also, because last sentence was in question form. Do you want anything to drink? When we get questions, we must give a response in question form. So in note taking, it is a good idea to use question symbol to remind you that you must give your response in question way. Now, if we refer our notes, our response will be: शुभ सवेर श्रीमती सीमा, ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਮੇਰੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੈ। ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਪੀਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ? Now let's play second dialogue. ਮੈਂ ਠੀਕ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਵਿਕਲਪ ਹਨ। ਮੈਂ ਜੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿਕਲਪਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਜਾਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। We will make notes for this dialogue like this. I'm fine, TK means thank you. We will use short forms. When sentence is longer, we cannot write whole sentence. However, we can remember some and write some keywords that can help you convey correct response. Lot investment options on phone. These are the possible keywords. We will write a note taking for Punjabi sentence. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਵਿਕਲਪ ਹਨ। Next keywords, we will write no, more or greater symbol. Then we will use leftward arrow symbol. That means those options, referring to previous sentence, which is lot investment options on phone. So now our answer by referring our note taking will be: I am fine, thank you. You told me on the phone there are a lot of investment options. I would like to know more about those options today. Now let's play next dialogue.
You will be pleased if you choose to make a term deposit with us. I would recommend a term deposit of 6 months. The interest rate for today is 5.3% per annum.
We will make notes like this. For conditional sentence, use rightward arrow symbol. That means if choose term deposit with us. Now here we will use happy symbol because the segment was you will be pleased if you choose to make a term deposit with us. For next sentence, we will use these keywords suggest 6M term deposit or TD abbreviation of term deposit. We may use to make notes quick. For another sentence, we will make notes. IR means interest rate 5.3% PA per annum today. Now, while referring the notes, the answer will be ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੋਗੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਮਿਆਦ ਜਮ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਵਾਉਣਾ ਦੀ ਚੋਣ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਮੈਂ 6 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਆਦ ਦੀ ਜਮ੍ਹਾਂ ਰਕਮ ਦੀ ਸਿਫਾਰਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵਿਆਜ ਦਰ ਸਾਲਾਨਾ 5.3% ਹੈ। Now let's play next dialogue. ਮਿਆਦ ਜਮ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਠੀਕ ਹਨ ਪਰ ਵਿਆਜ ਦਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ। ਕੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਚ ਵਿਆਜ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੋਈ ਵਿਕਲਪ ਹਨ? We will use keywords TD suitable but IR too low. Now here we will use high or low symbols rather than writing high or low in words. Next is question mark because option keyword. In the segment Punjabi speaker says koi vikalp han. This way we can make quick notes. The result will be term deposits are suitable for me, but the interest rate is too low. Are there any options with high interest? Now, let's play next dialogue.
Our bank is in a long-term partnership with a few investment banks here in Australia. They could come up with investment portfolios for you with much higher returns. But higher returns carry higher risks.
Keywords we will write long-term partnership with few invest banks in Australia. Now here we will use increase or decrease symbols rather than writing high or low in words. Invest portfolios, much increase symbol IR. Upward arrow key for higher IR. Again, upward arrow key for higher risks. Now, while referring notes, we will give response. ਸਾਡਾ ਬੈਂਕ ਆਸਟ੍ਰੇਲੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਬੈਂਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੀ ਭਾਈਵਾਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਵਧੇਰੇ ਰਿਟਰਨ ਦੇ ਨਿਵੇਸ਼ ਪੋਰਟਫੋਲੀਓ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਨ, ਪਰ ਉੱਚ ਰਿਟਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੱਚ ਜੋਖਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। Now let's play next dialogue. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੋਚਾਂਗੀ ਅਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ। ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਲਾਹ ਲਈ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। These are the possible keywords and short forms we will write in note taking. Now, while referring notes, we will give response. Okay, I will think about it and will contact you. Thank you for your advice. I hope you understand how to make notes effectively to give correct response for every dialogue. Last but not least, listening is one of the most important skills in RTCCL test. So it is must you pay full attention while listening to dialogues. Otherwise, you may incur insertions, omissions, and distortions while saying your response. Thank you.